Struggling with high ping on Windows 11? Here's how to fix it and enjoy smoother gaming and browsing. Open Registry Editor. Search for Regedit using the Windows search bar. Right-click on Registry Editor and select Run as Administrator. Confirm any user account control prompts. Back up the registry. Go to the File menu, select Export, and save the registry backup in a convenient location with export range set to all. To restore the registry later, go to File Import and select the backup file. Modify Network Throttling Index. Navigate to HKE Local Machine Web Software N Microsoft and Windows NT1 Current Version, a multi-medium system profile. Locate Network Throttling Index on the right side. Double-click it, set the value data to FFFFF 8Fs, and ensure the base is hexadecimal. Click OK. Add TCP settings. Navigate to HKey Local Machine System Current Control Set Services UTC PIPUM Parameters all interfaces. Identify the subfolder with the most detailed information in the right pane. Right-click in a blank area, select New Deward, 32-bit value, and create the following entries. TC pack frequency, set the value data to 1. TC P&O delay, set the value data to 1. Create MSMQ key, if not already present. Go to HKey Local Machine Web Software M Microsoft. Right-click on the Microsoft folder, select New Key, and name it MSMQ, if it doesn't already exist. In the MSMQ folder, right-click in a blank area, select New Deward, 32-bit value, and name it TCP/No delay. Double-click the newly created entry and set the value data to 1. Finalize changes. Close the registry editor. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.